Today I'm going to be talking to you about devices and how you use those devices in your skincare routine. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Jodylynn and welcome to Aging Naturally, where we are transforming the way that we define aging with no Botox, fillers, or plastic surgery, and I bring you cleaner, cruelty-free products. So in my last video, I talked about the 4 must-have devices that every mature woman should have. It can be a little overwhelming to figure out how you use those devices because some of the devices you should not be using Tretinoin before, during. So I have created a schedule. I will also link that below that you could use just for you so that you have that information. And I've created a blank schedule if you wanted to create your own schedule. I like to use this and put it right inside my medicine cabinet so I know, okay, today this is what I'm doing, Tuesday this is what I'm doing. Maybe that will be helpful for you. I'm gonna be going Monday through Sunday. And I'm going to be focusing on my nighttime skincare routine. So if you want to know what I do during the day, I will list my beginner's skincare video down below that tells you what I do during the day and evening. So Monday is a regular day. I am doing my double cleanse, I'm doing my toner, I'm doing my Tretinoin, serums, and moisturizers. Nothing different there. So Tuesday, I'm not using Tretinoin because I'm going to be using microcurrent on Wednesday. So I've talked all about my microcurrent treatment. I'm actually doing microcurrent 3 days a week. I am doing 2 full days, so I'm doing my neck and my face, and it takes me about 20-25 minutes. And then I am also doing an additional day. And I'm just doing that on the areas that I want some extra love. And I'm doing that on the cheek areas here because I've got these 2 lines right here. And then also I am doing my hooded eyes and I've got these lines right here. So I focus on that on my extra day. So I'm doing microcurrent 3 days a week. So on Wednesday, I'm doing my microcurrent. Therefore on Tuesday, I'm not doing Tretinol because it is very much recommended not to use your Tretinoin or Retinol products before a microcurrent treatment, because when you're doing the microcurrent, you're really penetrating whatever is on the skin really deeply into the skin, but it could be very irritating for the retinols and the tretinoins. So I didn't want to go through that, so I do not do that. So what my day looks like actually on Tuesday is I like to do masks. So I do a double cleanse. And then I've been really enjoying the DTox by Giovanni. This is their purifying facial mask. This helps to minimize my pores, which I really love. I keep this on for 10 minutes. And then after that, I go in with the Farmacy Honey Potion. This is really hydrating, really been loving this, and I keep this on for 20 minutes. This one is kind of more of like a warm sensation when you put it on, so it's kind of warm feeling. Some of you may not like that, but I really find it to be calming, especially in the wintertime. I really kind of enjoy it. Does not irritate my skin, but just so that you know that, and I've been really liking this. After I wipe this off, then I go ahead with my toner, serums, except my Tretinoin. Do not use Tretinoin. So serums and then moisturizer. So for Wednesday, this is where I'm doing my microcurrent. I'm doing a full microcurrent treatment. So I am double cleansing, doing my microcurrent, and then I am adding, after that, I'm doing my regular skincare routine. Toner, Tretinoin, serums, and then moisturizer. On Thursday, it's very similar. I am not using Tretinoin because on Friday I'm doing a microcurrent treatment. However, this time I'm using my microcurrent just on those specific areas. So what I do is on Thursday, I actually do my double cleanse, detox for 10 minutes, wipe that off. This I do for 20 minutes and I then wipe it off. And then I go ahead and I do my toner and I do my Tretinoin, but I keep it away from this area and I keep it away from this area. So I put my Tretinoin everywhere else because I'm not going to be using my microcurrent on those areas. I'm only going to be using my microcurrent here and here. on Friday. So then after I do that, then I do my serums and moisturizer. All right, so Friday is my microcurrent treatment. So I am doing double cleanse, my microcurrent only here and here. And then I'm adding my toner, Tretinoin, and serums and moisturizers on my skin. So let's go ahead and talk about Saturday. Saturday I'm using my PMD, which is the microdermabrasion. Now it is recommended when you first get this device to not use tretinols or retinoids 7 days before using the device, which is what I did on my first time. After a period of time, me personally, and you're just gonna have to figure this out for yourself, I have been fine with using my Tretinoin all the way up to the day before I use my PMD. However, I do not use my Tretinoins or retinols the day of my PMD, and you're not going to want to, because you can tell that your skin is very sensitive and raw after this treatment, and my skin is super dry after this treatment. So what I do is I do my double cleanse, and you're going to want to make sure that your face is dry when using this product. And then you're going to do the treatment, making sure that you do not go over an area twice, because you can hurt yourself. I've done it, so just learn from me. After this, my skin tends to be pretty dry. So what I've been using after that is the Puriface. These are sheet masks. This is a very hydrating sheet mask. I absolutely love this. It does not have any harsh ingredients, no fragrances. It is cruelty free, and it's just very hydrating. I leave this on my face for 20 minutes. And then I go in with my moisturizer. I don't use anything else except for a moisturizer after that. And I have really been liking, I need to get more. I tried this mini, but this is from Milk. And this is their hydrating moisturizer. It is vegan, cruelty-free, but it's very thick, which is why I like it. If you have oily skin, you may not want to use this, but just to kind of give you an idea of how, you know, thick it is. It's very thick, but it's very hydrating, and I like to use this after my PMD. I just lather that on, and it's so soothing, and it's very nice, and my skin is lovely the next day. Now, after about 3 weeks, instead of my PMD, I will actually dermaplane. So that's where I shave my face. So I don't use this as an additional day. I just swap out my PMD and I use this instead. And again, I do the same routine. I do not use my Tretinoin after this or any serums, because it does do a light exfoliation on the skin. It's not going to be as harsh as this one. It's just a light exfoliation, but I use then my sheet mask, the Puriface sheet mask after this, and then the Milk moisturizer. And this is the only time that I'm using the Milk moisturizer, because this is so thick and heavy. I just use it on the days of my PMD. I do not use it every day. Okay, so for Sunday, on Sunday I actually use my Myolift, my microcurrent. I'm doing a full microcurrent treatment on my neck and my face. So I'm double cleansing, doing my microcurrent, and then after that I'm using my toner, and I am not using Tretinoin on this day. And the reason for that is because I used my PMD the day before, and my face is still too sensitive to be using my PMD, or excuse me, to be using my Tretinoin after my PMD. So what I do use though is a retinol serum. So I've been really liking the Sunday Riley, just because it's not as harsh as Tretinoin. So it's still this is very effective. This is their high dose A+ retinoid serum. This actually is 6.5 retinoid blend. So this is advanced strength retinoid serum, delivers a 6.5 power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. I do not find that this irritates me after my PMD, the day after my PMD. So kind of just, or kind of go back. On Sunday, double cleanse, microcurrent, and then I go ahead and put on a toner. This retinoid serum by Sunday Riley, which I really like. Then I go ahead and put on the rest of my serums and my regular moisturizer. So hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Until next time.